Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache and Snapchat on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're here, scroll down to General, then tap on iPhone Storage, then find Snapchat on the list of apps right here, then tap on it. Then once you're here, just tap on the Upload app, and what this option do is will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So just tap on the Offload app right here and wait for it. And once that's done, just tap on Reinstall app. So I don't use Snapchat that much, so I don't have that much usage on my storage. But for you, this will significantly reduce the usage on your storage if you use Snapchat frequently. Wait for it to reinstall, and that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.